Why you have to leave so soon?
I miss you already, cuz.
You have the world I cry. Them take you from your little daughter.
Hey, the thing I be, you know. Watch out now, no. A Black Kush is a represent for Lionfoot TV, you know. And we a celebrate like it a we birthday. It could have be verse in a diverse way. Champion in a cup with no thirsty. Yeah, hear me? Boom, stay in tune, you know. Don't lag off. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Make sure you subscribe. You see what me I say? Cause the good message, the peace, love, unity, good vibes. I just say there. Say Black Kush said that.
I am a killer, the man of space. I beg the youth to take the violence off the streets. Four corners, hey, live it. Never take life and cannot give it. Youths, wanna stop the crime.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know the man of pace, or set the violence off the streets. Yeah, man of peace. You see me I say? Never left the badge. I will never work with no lodge. You see me? Yeah, man, in this vlog here, I'm going to react to a song from Black Kush. You know, who was the cousin family member of NIAH. Rest in peace, NIAH. And condolence to the families them. Especially his little daughter. Boy, I tell him I cry every night, you know, I do my look free. Boy, I tell him. Sad story, and the world shook. Because some people may hear a talk, or some African may hear a talk, and I say, Jano, NIAH, I'm going to get to discover, say, Black Kush, big up myself, Black Kush, my brother, who's supposed to come and perform at my EP launch next week, Saturday. Man, Evans, mash up, so. Who I look forward to come watch Black Kush, don't be disappointed if you don't see me, see me, because so understand he's in the bereavement moment right now. He's mourning the loss of his cousin. That incident happened in his house, in his yard, Black Kush yard. See, my brother from another mother. You know, my guy, I'm sure where they go support him, the journey show. So me I say, and you know what I mean? So I say, I return back the love, and him for forward to come perform on my EP launch. I say, going up, support you, and a far way forward from Black Kush. So me I say, Star Life, big up yourself. Real skill, big up yourself. But we're going to react to a song right now. Seeing Jaja. Sad, man. Sad. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and play the bell. And we're going to react to a song. If you'd like Lionfoot to review a song for you or react, reach out. Nah, charge no money, you know. All enough to do a sponsor the channel. So I say, show some gratitude and sponsor the channel. I don't care how much you know, I'm not asking no money, because we don't need no money. We don't have the YouTube for no money. We don't make no money off of YouTube. Or music we want to do. That's why, you see me, music we want to do. So I say, but with this daily vlog here, I have to keep me motivated, because I know more time I go through my depression more time. You see me, I say, so condolence to all those who lost someone. But this vlog is based on NIAH. So I say, Jano style. Why the youths tend to think before they act, man? Think twice before you pull the trigger, you see me? Yeah, man, so I'm going to react to the song you know named Rest in Everlasting Peace. And I mean NIAH Tribute by Black Kush, the cousin of NIAH. See? So we're going to review it, and we're going to stop and talk, and we're going to leave the link for this song. And we're just going to run up the views over there and get the support. But a song here, trust me, very emotional. Right now, emotional. I'm not going to cry now. I'm not going to cry like one night. You see me? One night I cry through, I see NIAH and him daughter. It touched me. Wrapped me. You see me? Yeah, man, so no long chatting. We're going out right now.
Why you have to leave so soon?
I miss you already, cuz.
Who them Black Kush? You hear Black Kush cry out? You hear them note them? Why you have to leave so soon? Jano star. Jano.
You have the world I cry. Them take you from your little daughter. When you have to leave so soon.
Take the man away from his little daughter. And the person who do it, you know, must know say man have a little daughter, you know, but the youth them not think. The youth them not thinking. You see me?
Hurt me so you can't charge it. I know, when I know how to carry on, charge it.
Black Kush.
Sleepless night, missing me family. Sleepless night, how you have my family.
Sleepless night. It's not nice to lose a loved one. It's not nice to lose a good, close friend where you class as family. You see me, I say, the youths them nothing star.
You hear me? It hurt me so you can't charge it. But this me a feel charge it. Still can't believe so you're dead. Can't sleep so me can't go me bed. Try to hold it.
Can't sleep, you know. Black Kush can't believe his cousin dead. Cha-cha.
Tears for them shed, them rip up me heart. Yo, I mash up me meds. Yo, them a go feel it charge it. Them better lie in it cause of them break them bed. Hi.
Man said them a go feel it, you know, but them better can face it now. Them spread the bed so you lie on it. That Black Kush tell you, but you know, we not support no violence and make the police deal with it still. You see me? No retaliation, make police deal with it. But who am I to say? You see me I say, each to them own choice and decision.
I wish I could block this pain that I'm feeling inside. I wish I could fly away, but I'm just a human being. So me cry if you want to. No one to talk to. Tell myself to me strong. Oh.
Black Kush, me there man if you want to talk to you know. Call me brother, we can raise me, you see me? Yeah man, one phone call away bro. If you not nobody to talk to me there, I said.
I wish I could block this pain that I'm feeling inside. No longer for work, we go viral. No, you're dead, you come everyone hide all of.
So long the man I work for go viral, now him dead. The man gone viral, everybody attack about the man and that Black Kush say, you know. Big up Gangoli, the man say if you want boss, you have to dead first. Big up yourself Gangoli, Jaja.
The media pick me up your title. When you were right, bad mind become your rival. Why you know everyone knows say you are real you. I clean you a try and you sweet you. So
see, the man say, no, why know everybody know say you are real you. They never know before. You see me? And the man up on him TikTok and do him thing and speak the real truth. Jaja, and pull up back that part here.
you were right, bad mind become your rival. Why you know everyone knows say you are real.
Man say no man rising up, bad mind becoming rival. Nobody don't know you when you're down, you know, and you're up. Be people start bad mind and say show off around. Take your life away your own things. You see me?
You are clean, you a try and you sweet you. Some me know say the most I have your real, but you still hurt like a damn fuck up with them too.
Yes man, man say yo, right now NIAH is dead, you know. Hurt him like a F up wisdom tooth. You know, we have them bad tooth, they were pain, you know. You see me? Never feel them pain before, but yet, you know, God forbid, you know, all of my teeth them good, you see me?
I wish I could block this pain that I'm feeling inside. I wish I could fly away, but I'm just a human being. So me cry if you want to. Most I be talk to. Tell myself to be strong. Oh, I wish I could block this pain I'm feeling inside.
Condolence to all who lost someone, you know. Again, it's not nice to lose a loved one, you see me? Yes, man, God forbid, you know. Happy birthday to my brother. Today my birthday, you see me? Hope you live to see many, many more. You see it, you know, next week on my birthday. So I say, Father God, God, and protect me, so I live to see it. You see me? Big up all of the Saji them. Yo, so stop the crime in Jamaica, man. It don't look good. What really are going, man? What really are going on the island?
Them say big man don't cry less than weak, but me cry like baby feet and less than me weak.
Yeah, man, I cry too, man. I cry when night, man. Wednesday night, I think. Wednesday morning, I wake up about 4. I cry when I see the man with him daughter and I say, John, touch me. I have to do a song when I record already for my father, because I lost my father from me at 3 years old. You see me? I don't go with no father. My mother was my mother and father. When I see John no start. Now, yeah, rest in peace. And I look at daughter, I wish her all the best. I see Nicki Minaj say she want to speak to the daughter, she want to talk to the mother. We know she shall go bless them up financially, but why now? When you want boss, nobody not pay an acknowledgement, friends and family. When they're there, them get the nicest funeral and them thing there. Nicest coffin. Big up Springwater, say give me roses while I'm alive. See me?
One more family gone by the street. Each of them full, said the tears them only.
One more family gone by the street. You know, Black Kush lost another family member. See him in the streets. You know, me and all about them place a grimy too, you know. You see me? Like Kingston.
When you have to leave so soon, you have the world I cry. Them take you from your little dark.
But now like Naya, his death shook the world, man. Shook the world social media, man. Everybody attack, you know, and hopefully the family them get justice. You see me? Yes.
I wish I could black this pain that I'm feeling inside. I wish I could fly away, but I'm just a human being. So me cry if me want to. No one pick out to tell me sense of me strong. Oh.
Yeah, man. Cry if you wanna cry, man. Black Kush. You see me? Cry if you wanna cry. Never told anybody. You see me? Never told big for cry. Why you talk about big man cry? Who's a big man that cry? Enough time I cry. Enough time I depressed and cry. I'm by myself to myself. Shed tears and feel better and recover again. Fit up again. In the name of the Most High Rastafari.
I wish I could block this pain I'm feeling inside. It hurt me so you got charge. I know, when I know how to carry on, charge.
As I say, Black Kush, me there, bro. Reach out, man. If you want somebody to raise you with, now you will have meds when you tell me say your cousin. I never know say your cousin. Or I don't get another shook again when I find out say your cousin, brother. Trust me. We know we shit about no one and the youth lost his life over social media. You see me I say, we don't know what the reason why he lost his life, but if you know say them take him life, left him daughter star, you see me? Jah God. Man I live the life young youth, you know. You see me?
Sleepless night, missing my family.
Yeah man, condolence to the family them of Naya man. People, the song name Rest in Everlasting Peace. Naya, tribute by Black Kush, blood cousin this. See me? It happened. The two of them live in the same yard. You see me I say. So just me leave the link in the video description so you can go watch it. See? And drop a comment, drop a emoji, a broken heart emoji, or a angel, or a dove, or something. You see me? Yeah, man.
Sleepless night, cause you have my family. Yeah, you hear me? I wish I could black this pain that I'm feeling inside. I wish I could fly away, but I'm just a human being. So me cry if me want to. Most I me got to tell myself to be strong. Oh.
Yeah, man, strong up Black Kush, man. You know you're one papa. Still with I love you, come sing that song here at the EP launch next week. I'm Eric. Welcome to Kingston EP launch and birthday celebration in a one. So me I say, Black Kush, you know the thing go. If you can't make it better, or don't talk already, but if you can come sing that song, daddy, please, papa. Your fans never look for you. See? It's up to you still. So me I say, papa.
I wish I could block this pain I'm feeling inside.
Yes, my people, that's it. Rest in everlasting peace. Naya tribute, you know, by Black Kush, his cousin. You see me? Yeah, man. Can't believe say you're gone. Left your mother, father, brother, sister, cousin, and your kids, them. Can't believe say you're gone. You're gonna be missed by your parents and sistren. Can't believe say you're gone. Naya, I know you're resting in peace in heaven. Words can't explain or describe my pain. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Youths, wanna stop the crime. Please, I beg you know. And the man of peace, Lionfoot. Big up on yourself, Jamaica. I want love, you know. Love alone, stand alone. You see me? It now go nowhere. Stop wasting the life, youths. Stop taking one another life over TikTok money, social media money, scamming money, making the money, and buying a house and living the life and be scared when you want and have a girl, woman. But stop taking one another life. So me I say, we all the salvation lasts forever. We all are dead left where we have riches and poorness or whatever. But enjoy it while it lasts. Put that one up on blast. Kushite. So Emmanuel I still see. Rastafari.